Hey AI innovators! Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the vast number of AI models out there? You hear about Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, and Grok, and you have no idea which one is the best for a specific task. Do you use this one for copywriting, that one for coding? It's a huge headache and it's slowing you down. But what if you could have access to all of them in one place for a single low price? Welcome back to the channel. I'm David. My mission is to cut through AI noise, show solopreneurs, freelancers, and new entrepreneurs how to use AI to get real business results. Today, I'm revealing an AI tool that is a total game changer. This is a deep dive review, a platform that solves one of the biggest problems in AI right now, which is the cost and complexity of multiple subscriptions. Think about it. To get the best of each world, you might need to subscribe to Gemini Pro for $20 a month, ChatGPT for another $20 a month, Claude $17 a month, Perplexity Pro $20 a month, Grok $30 a month. That's a lot of money and a lot of different interfaces to manage. But with Abacus AI, you can pay $10 a month, and if you want to use it on a daily basis, I recommend to upgrade to Pro, which is only an extra $10 a month. It gives you DeepAgent without restrictions. It's still a better return of investment than having each separate subscription for each LLM. And I'll tell you more about DeepAgent in a second. This is the Abacus AI interface. Here you're not locked into just one model. You have access to the world's best LLMs like GPT-5, Claude Opus 4.1, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Grok 4, and many other models that you can see here. Plus, you can also create your custom chatbot and AI workflows. It's all right here. But what's even more impressive is the full set of tools available. This platform is a complete business assistant. You have dedicated functions for text generations. You can search the web. You can type in your query here. You've got image generation with different image models that you can choose from. The number of images. You've got coding. You can code. You can use Playground to test different things to see how it looks like. PowerPoint presentation, deep research. You have video generation models, different resolutions that you can choose from. You have lip sync, where you can choose a different model, different voices. You can even create an avatar. You can humanize the text in those different aspects here, different tones. You can generate a full document. You can edit. You can scrape URLs, take screenshots, analyze your videos. Task management, where you can automate your tasks. And let me know if you want me to make a video on task automation with Abacus. You've got audio tools, text to speech, speech to text, speech to speech. So you've got a lot of different options here. It offers prompting tips and tricks to help you master the platform. You can also manually select each model that you want, or you can use the magic button RouteLLM, which intelligently selects the single best AI model for your specific prompt. This is what saves you all the guesswork on which AI to use. Now let's put this to the test with the real business task that a solopreneur needs to get done. For this demo, let's tackle a task that is a massive need for solopreneurs: creating a landing page to sell a service or your product. A well-designed landing page can take days to build from scratch. With this AI tool, we can generate a powerful conversion-focused page in just minutes. So let's go to my cheat sheet. So we've got the prompt for a landing page draft, which you can use, customized to your business, your service or product name, describe your main value proposition, your target audience, and then you just copy this and paste that in. Obviously, I have my example prompt, which is also in the cheat sheet. So I'm going to copy this, go back to Abacus AI, paste that in, Playground, actually use search web, hit go. And just like that, it's done. But now you wonder, what is this all about? This is just like all code. So you can either copy this, create a new text document, edit in Notepad. It's going to open a window like this, paste this code in, save it as, rename it social media landing page.html. Change this one to all files, save it, and there you go. And now you can double click it, and here you can see, just like that, it turned out this beautiful looking landing page in just minutes. It's not perfect. It has done some mistakes here. We might ask it to improve it. Click Playground. That way it generates it inside the chat interface itself. Now look, it's using Claude 4 Sonnet to actually fix this issue, because we've chosen RouteLLM, which chooses the best LLM model for this task. Look at this. In just a few seconds, it has generated a professional structured landing page. The RouteLLM analyzed the prompt, recognized it, chose the best model to deliver this high quality output. It's a complete framework that you can copy and paste, customize it with your own details. And look, if you're not happy with certain things here, like this section here didn't go well, you can actually take a screenshot of this or highlight it and copy it and go back to the chat interface and ask it to change it, and you can then describe what you want it to change and it will do it. This feature alone is worth it for any entrepreneur and small business, but it gets even more powerful. Abacus AI also has something called a DeepAgent. Is like a project manager for your business. It can perform multiple interconnected tasks from a single complex prompt. Let's create. Go back to my cheat sheet, go back to this prompt here, which you can customize for your business type, your platform where you want to post it. So we're going to create a social media calendar for 1 week. So we're going to copy this prompt here because that's my example prompt. Go to DeepAgent, which you can also access from here, DeepAgent, and it brings you to this interface here. And DeepAgent can create apps, short videos, AI workflows, deep research, PowerPoint presentations, browse the internet for you, and analyze data. So now let's paste this prompt in and hit go. And now it's going to take a while to generate all this content as it's doing all the work for you. And the good thing about Abacus AI, it actually asks you clarifying questions so that it really creates the right thing that you are looking for. So here it's asking 1, service specifics. What specific AI powered service do you offer? Business stage, geographic focus. Are you targeting a specific region or country? The pricing strategy, the unique differentiator. You can answer those questions in order, or you can just let it figure out on its own, which I'm gonna do in this case. And here it started already working. So it's creating Instagram posts and LinkedIn posts. And just like that, it created a 7-day social media content calendar for Instagram and LinkedIn. It gave you a post idea, the image description, image caption, the caption for LinkedIn as well, the hashtags, and that's all for 7 days. It gives you even a strategic rationale, how you can implement those posts. But it didn't create the images, so let's ask it. Just like that, it created 7 different images. As you can see here, you've got all the 7 images. So you've got here, number 1, which is a really good image actually. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So for each post idea, it suggested a corresponding image, the content, the hashtag. This is just amazing. Look at that. It didn't just give me a content calendar. It created a structured plan for 2 platforms, provided captions and hashtags, and even generated abstract creative images to go with each post idea. This is what makes a DeepAgent so valuable. This would have probably taken you 20 hours or more to do manually, right? For a whole week. Now, if you're not happy with those images, obviously, I recommend you to go to ChatLLM, go back and create a new chat here, create image, choose either Imagen 4, DALL-E 3, Ideogram 3, those are really good image models, or Flux is also really good. Seedream, I need to experiment that, but let's see. Let's paste in a prompt that I've just taken from the DeepAgent here. Generate 1 image. Let's see what it does. Just like that, it created a really nice looking image that you can download. Abacus AI is an incredible tool that truly cuts through the complexity of the AI landscape with its RouteLLM, task automations, and DeepAgent features. You can stop wasting time and money on multiple subscriptions and start to focus on growing your business. I personally use this all the time. I've put a link to Abacus AI in the description below, so you can check it out for yourself. Also, I've created a free cheat sheet to help you get started with Abacus AI right away with all the prompts that we use today. Grab your copy from the link in the description below. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AI Inspired Shifter if you want to work smarter, faster, and automate your business. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. What task are you going to use Abacus AI for first? Let me know in the comments below. I reply to all comments. If you want to master AI fully, check out our next video here.